Hey everyone, today being Good Friday, we are having the ecumenical Stations of the Cross, and we are going here. And this is our brother Ian.
Hello.
Hello, and this is one of our brother's dad, and we are going to different 14 Stations of the Cross, 14 churches, and this is my first time, and we'll explore. Thank you.
Being found in appearance as a human, he humbled himself and became obedient to the point of even death on the cross. At the same time, he knew that it was